Hi guys, welcome back to Mobile Shark. Today we'll look at a few cases for the Pixel Fold handset. I think we've chosen about 5 cases from our website on the table here. We have many more options to choose from. We've got one of the best ranges in the UK. We've got many cases for this handset that are available now and ready to ship today. We'll start with the ProGrip Defense 360 case, which is a heavy duty case that offers full body protection. It comes with a screen protector to the front here, and comes in 2 different sections. So you have the front panel and the back panel. On the back you have this textured surface, which is quite nice, and I do like the fact that you have like the design feature where you have the hinges. This plate, I think, is quite neat actually. So the case fits in 2 parts. The handset goes on the inside, which has got this lovely design pattern on the inside. It looks really cool. It goes on the inside, and then the front panel clips on like this. And with this one, the hinge is fully protected, so it opens like this and then it closes, which is quite good. It's a heavy duty case. It feels really well built. You have access to the charging ports to the bottom as well, and obviously the buttons on the side, but the camera as well on the back has got a raised lip, which is quite nice. This one is the Defense 360 case, and it's available in black and also green. I have one of the green ones to show you guys what it looks like. Here it is. I do like the green, it looks really nice, looks quite cool actually. Same case, but it's a heavy duty case, and it will give you the full protection that you need, that you deserve for the handset. Brilliant. Defense 360 case. Next we'll look at a wristband case, which offers a secure feature to hold the handset firmly in your hand when you're using it. So when you open it like this, right, you can use the wristband to the back, which just goes on your hand like that when you open it, and you hold it and you look at the handset, which is like a security feature, but I think it's really cool. It's quite nice. Obviously to the back also you have the camera feature, which is with this case the camera is held on the inside and not on the outside, so there's like a body here to hold the camera, which protects it. Again, you have access to the charging ports here to the bottom as well, which is quite good, and you have a kickstand to the side, which is quite nice as well. Opens like this. I wish we had the Pixel Fold handset to show you guys what it looks like in the handset, but unfortunately we don't. But with this one, I do like it. It's got, although the front panel goes onto the Pixel Fold and clips on, it also has 6 very strong magnets that hold the case like that. Quite a nice case, and the screen protector is quite sturdy as well. So you will get good protection from this one. This is the wristband case. Nice case. We've got a simple MagSafe case here, which comes in 2 bits. This one does not have a screen protector, it's just the front panel and the back panel. This is leather texture to the back, and you also have the MagSafe ring here to the back as well. And you have a kickstand, which is quite neat for use. Obviously it closes like that, which is quite sturdy as well. Access to the charging ports to the bottom, and all of the other features such as the power buttons to the side here. When the handset is placed on the inside, it lays on a smooth surface so it doesn't get scratched. And also the camera has a raised lip around it, again for extra protection. And this is a MagSafe case that we have a leather MagSafe case that we have on the website. Next we'll look at the carbon fiber stand case that we have. Really lovely feature to the back here with the carbon fiber, looks really cool. And you have the housing for the camera, which is extra protection. Access to the ports to the bottom, and all of the volume buttons to the side. Again, this one opens like this, comes in 2 parts with a screen protector, and also when it's held in place like the wristband case, it has 6 magnets which are quite strong and sturdy, so it holds like that. Quite nice. And you have the kickstand feature to the back as well, which is quite good. And these are just some of the cases that we have. As I said, we have many more on the website for you guys to have a look at. So do browse our website to find the cases that you want. They're all available, ready to ship today. Do like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye.